China's soybean purchase and trade war de-escalation, a comprehensive overview. The trade war's turning point, a potential breakthrough. The ongoing trade war between the United States and China has been a source of concern for many, especially for American farmers. However, a recent development has brought a glimmer of hope. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has revealed that China is set to make substantial purchases of U.S. soybeans, and the threat of an additional 100% tariff is now effectively off the table. In an interview, Bessent emphasized that the U.S. and China are taking steps towards de-escalation, with a framework negotiated by himself. This development is particularly significant for American soybean farmers who have been facing challenges due to falling crop prices and high costs. China, traditionally their top export market, had held off on purchases this harvest season. The impact on farmers and the market? The threat of a 100% tariff, which would have pushed the overall rate above 150%, created significant leverage during the talks. Bessent highlighted that the market was already in equilibrium, with Brazil, Argentina, and the U.S. as the leading suppliers. The recent Chinese purchase of soybeans from Argentina, timed to take advantage of a drop in export duties, further supports this equilibrium. China's ease on export controls and U.S. restrictions. While China is easing its export controls on rare earths, Bessent suggested that U.S. restrictions will remain in place. This distinction is crucial, as it indicates a potential shift in the balance of power between the two countries. The U.S. has not made any changes to its export controls, which may have implications for future negotiations. The road ahead, a complex landscape. The meeting between Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping in South Korea will determine the final details of the deal. While the de-escalation is a positive step, the complex nature of the trade war means that there are still many variables at play. The impact on farmers and the broader economy will depend on the outcome of these negotiations. A call for discussion, the controversial interpretations. The de-escalation of the trade war is a significant development, but it also raises questions. Will China's purchase of soybeans from Argentina be a one-time event or a sign of a new trend? How will the U.S. restrictions on chip exports and Chinese investments affect the balance of power? These are the questions that remain to be answered, and they invite discussion and debate. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with the de-escalation strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.